Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this Gucci wallet. So yes, take a look. It looks very clean, very good, very nice. Yes. So let's open it. Okay, so we got this. It's very clean, very cheap, and yeah, you can check it out like this. So the first thing is it only was like $10, I think $10-11, like it's very cheap. So yes, we got this one, looks very good too. Most likely it looks like, I don't know, it looks kinda real, like you can see it's fake, but looks very good. So yes, the quality is it's okay. This right here, right, it feels so good. So yeah, we got this. As you can see, it looks very clean, so yeah. And if I open it up, it's clean too. Like, you can see the small details right here. It's like, you know, kinda, I don't know how to say this, like broken, or not broken, but like, you can see it right here. It's not too good. But yeah, like, because you have the box too, as you can see. Like, you get this one and this one. So yeah, but the only thing that I don't like is that it's missing something. Usually it says made in Italy, right? But like, I don't know why it doesn't say that. So that's one mistake. Like, you know, it could be good, you know, but like it misses something. It misses made in Italy, like this one. Wait, hold on. Or this one doesn't say made in Italy, it says made in France. But like, you know, it needs to have this made in France, just in Italy instead. Like, I don't know why it doesn't say that, right? But like, you know, it's very important if you want to resell this. Cause like, bro, it's so clear to see it's fake, you know? Like, you can see it's fake, so yeah. But everything else is very good, you know? It looks nice, it feels nice, you know, the quality, it's good, you know, everything else, it's so nice. The box, clean too, and whoopsie-doopsie. But yeah, like, I don't know, I will give this 7 out of 10, because like, the wallet, it's so clean, but I don't like when it's, you can see, like, it goes up, you know, like, I can't close it, like this one, you see, this one, fully closed, you can do this, boom, 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 but it's closed. This one, it goes up, I don't know why, it's kind of annoying. So, yeah, this one, definitely good, right, it's alright, I would say, it's a 10 out of 10, you know, very good, but like, could be better, it could be way better. So, and this one, it's the best one, like, $4 and $10, you know, can you see the difference? $4 and $10. So yeah, I would definitely recommend I would recommend this one instead, because, you know, like, looks better, the quality is way better. But like, this one, it isn't bad too, right? It's good, but like, could be better. So yeah, the box, you can see right here, it's very clean. I don't know how the original box looks like, I don't know how it usually is, right? But like, the fake one, it looks clean, it's alright. So yeah, this is it from my video. I hope you will like the video and subscribe and do everything else. I need 100 subscribers, yeah. So yeah, but like, I don't know why the camera is shaking, because I can't really place it good, you know. It's boom, 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 boom. So okay, it's good now. But yeah, I don't know like how the original looks like, but like, this one, it's good too, you know. Like, as I said, I will give this 7 out of 10. Could be better, but it's not too good, you know. It's good, but not too good again, because it's missing this made in Italy. And this is the one that gave me it from DHgate, you know. They got everything, bro, so come on now, man. But yeah, let's put it in the box. It's yeah, put it clean, you know, like this, so it's ready to resell. So yeah, man. And of course, I will resell this as a fake one, because I don't wanna, you know, scam people. So yeah, bro, it's not fair, bro. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and do everything else, because I need to get to 100 subscribers. So yeah, and have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning. Bye bye, my friends.